Good morning, Brad Davis here at Stikeman Chevrolet. Direct office line is 419-567-4526. Getting you a video here of our 2012 Avalanche. This is a extremely well-maintained, well-taken care of pickup. I can promise you're not going to find one cleaner around. We just got this in on trade about a week ago. There is no damage anywhere around this Avalanche that I have seen. Tires are in excellent condition. Brakes are in excellent condition. Let me get underneath here and get you as good a frame shot as I can. As you can hear, I do have it running. Frame's got a little bit of surface rust on it. Nothing is coming through like on some of the other ones where you'll see frame cracks and completely rotted through. This one is not. As I get into the interior here, as you can see, extremely nice. 98,200 miles. As you can see, it does have the navigation screen. No rips, tears, anything damage on the inside of this vehicle. Again, Brad Davis, Stikeman Chevrolet, 419-567-4526. Thank you. Have a great day.